Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a plant unboxing video. I bought a plant online the other day from Canopy Plant Company. I actually ordered this about 3 days ago. It just came in, so the shipping was pretty fast. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up. I actually undid the box. I actually took the tape off and everything already, but actually showed my address. I'm not trying to have that on the internet, so the box is already open, but I haven't seen the plants yet. I just had to record this part. Anyway, so here's how the plants came. It came with a bunch of packing peanuts on top, so it's packed up pretty nice. Alright, so as you can see right here, it says Philodendron glorious. This is the type of plant that I ordered. There are two in here, except this is a Philodendron atabapoense. Oh, that's not that difficult. We just gotta find out. So, anyway, let's see here. I'm going to open this up from the bottom as to not damage the plants. Okay, let's see. These are packed up pretty nice. I mean, of course, there are all types of liabilities that come with packing plants, so you have to make sure they're nice and so let's do this right here. Oh my god, okay, yeah. They pack these up too big. Anyway, so ooh, this is pretty. Some bugs got to it, but it's pretty though. Okay. I know plants are plants, but I'm really not too happy about this. First of all, really? This is a bug bite. This is some death too. Well, you know what? Now that I think about it, it has been really, really hot outside, so that's probably what happened to it. But at the same time, these don't look new. These look scarred. These look like they haven't been watered properly is what they look like. I'm actually gonna feel the soil to see if they have been watered properly. I mean, it's a gorgeous plant, don't get me wrong. It's packed up all nice and everything, but as far as the quality of the leaves, I'm not too excited about. Ooh. Oh, okay, the soil's wet. It might just be hot outside. But yeah, I really like the leaves. I love an elephant ear shaped plants. Of course, these aren't elephant ears, but I like the big leaves with a lot of veining on them. That's why I picked these, or I picked that one. And we have the second one. That was the glorious. That was the Philodendron glorious, and this is the atabapoense Philodendron. Okay, we're not gonna struggle with the packaging again. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up at the bottom. Let's really get this open. Cut it up at the top. Okay, and it's more. Ooh, they're not taking chances. Okay. Let's see what this is looking at. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, this one is gorgeous. This one's gorgeous. The only thing is that I can tell that this plant has some damage to it, or else they would have not put this in here. They need the plant, something to hold up the plant, so it probably something happened to it, and to where they were like, okay, we know this plant isn't gonna stand up on its own, so we add this right here. Like this one right here has one too, but it's not as thick. And of course, like most plants come with it, but at the same time, like these leaves, I know that if they were not attached to this plant, they would like just wilt and fall over. Granted, they have been through a lot in the mail, so that's probably what happened to it. But at the same time, like you can see the health of a plant when it needs some help, and when something needs a little bit more tender love and care before you can just go ahead and set it out. So these are both really, really gorgeous. I'm gonna say, like, don't get me wrong, like I have a bias towards ear-shaped plants and big leaf plants and veiny plants, but I also have a bias towards evil plants. Evil, I like to call like any plants that are like black or purple, you know, they're a gothic variety, so I call them evil plants. Even though no plant is evil. Well, actually, I'm not even gonna lie, there are some carnivorous plants out there. But anyway, yeah, that's my unboxing. I'm pretty satisfied, well, más o menos about it. We'll see. I might give y'all an update at the end of the week to see how they held up. But other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with what I got. I got exactly what I ordered. You know, I assumed them to be this size little baby plants. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great evening. Come back for more content. And good night.